Hello, beautiful heathens. My name is Aodie, a 56-year-old elder goth who managed to survive the 80s, the 90s, even Y2K, yet still struggles with my eyeliner. I'm an artist, musician, and collector of all things dark and moody. Welcome to my channel, Awkwardly Gothy. Cue intro. Welcome back. Today we have a second haul from Avelina De Moray, the artist, musician, and designer from Australia. Not long ago, I did a haul where I showed you the purse and wallet and earrings, necklace from the collaboration Avelina did with Black Friday. And today, one of the items, I have several, is going to be the completion of the Black Friday jewelry set. So let's just get right into it, shall we? So, look at this loveliness right here. And, I don't know, maybe a month ago now? Gosh, I don't know, time flies. I did a little teaser for this item right here, saying I'd be doing a haul. And then I wanted to wait for the other pieces to arrive. Actually, in between that, I'm like, oh, I could get this, and I could get this. Here it says Gothic Luxury. I love the packaging. Everything Avelina does is well thought out, and so much detail and workmanship is put into every item. And everything that I've gotten so far, I've been completely satisfied, if not more so. So this item is the last item that I needed to complete the jewelry collaboration with Black Friday. So if you open up this coffin, inside is nestled a special little item here. Let me pull it out. This gorgeous red stone in the coffin area and those lovely wings. This is when you get the 925 silver version of this ring, you get this little coffin. And so let's try it on now, shall we? Now, I always struggle with which way I should put this. I'm going to go for this way. Is that not lovely? I love the weight of the piece. And I thought it was going to be smaller, and I'm so glad it's not. I just think that it's lovely. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So now, my set is complete. So we have the coffin bat wing necklace, the earrings, and now the ring. So I'm very, very pleased. But that's not all. We have a few other items. Avelina has done collaborations with a number of different, I'd say, musicians and performers in the alternate and goth space. And so today, the collaboration that I'm focused on is with Dani Divine. And Dani Divine is a burlesque performer and a model. And her performances, she deals with fire. So she's always got the most insanely beautiful outfits and so photogenic, of course. So I started following her on social media, and her posts are always so exciting. So she did a collaboration with Avelina De Moray, and the collaboration included a handbag, a purse, a wallet, a makeup case, and a mirror. So today I have 2 of those pieces. And I will start out with the largest one first. So we have the Avelina De Moray and Dani Divine handbag. Will you check out this gorgeous piece? Look at those spikes. Definitely a dangerous looking handbag, but I just love how the 2 purses now that I have from Avelina have so many spikes, and they're so eye-catching, are they not? So this one has the PU leather in a lovely spiderweb pattern. And we have these little crystal rivets. Hoping it's catching this. Just so much shining. And this python textured vegan leather. All of Avelina's items are always vegan leather. Never any real leather used. All her items are vegan friendly. And we have this gorgeous spider. Isn't that just stunning? And here, I like all the different colors of black. Who would have thought, right? But you have the PU leather, the textured python leather, and now you have this velvet all around this area with these rivets that are kind of cylindrical, but they're not pointed at the end. And that goes all the way around. And once again, I just love these little crystals that are set in within the spider web. And we have a handle, which is my preferred method of holding this. And notice how the spikes are here, they're up here, they're here, they're here, but they're not on the bottom. The bottom can sit flat. And she did this because if you're out at a club and you want to be able to put the purse down, you don't want spikes poking you in the legs, right? So very well thought out. I mean, you hold it and the spikes are not going to hit your chest or anything like that. So it's perfect. Also, the bag zips up, so we have these nice, easy to grab little handles here on the zipper. I'll open it up for you now. Just grab and pull. And the purse opens all the way. If you look. What did I keep in here? Oh, we'll talk about that in a moment. Let's get the tag out of the way. So it was very important to her that the purse opens all the way and that you have these little things here to help keep items from spilling out when you open the purse. But you see it opens nice and wide. And you can see that I got this lovely purple velvet inside. And I think originally the colors that were offered were purple, fuchsia, green, and red. And I think right now they're still available in purple and red only. Also, she had originally made a version of this with no spikes, but that's no longer available. So those are now out of stock. I'm not sure if she's going to restock them, but the likelihood is not, because I know she's trying to. She just finished a sale June 30th to get rid of some of the old stock and to make room for the new. So, as I was saying, okay, so the purse has handles, or you can wear it as a crossbody, which is what we had here. So, it comes with this chain with the PU leather and these little rivets here. And you can just simply attach, pick up the purse, Nancy. You can attach one side to here. You just attach it right there. And then bring the other side over. And that attaches right here. So you do it diagonally. You see. It seems like I need more room. So here we are. As you can see, it's attached here and there. And you just use it like that as a crossbody. But I prefer the handles. But it's nice to have the option. Sometimes if you're really busy and don't have extra hands free and you're carrying other things, it's nice to have the option of a crossbody for sure. Okay. So going back to the interior of the purse, again, it's this gorgeous, I got the gorgeous purple. And inside you have let's see, so you have two pockets, two open pockets inside. So like this one here is an open pocket for things like sunglasses, things you need, maybe some lipsticks or something there, something you need quick access to. Then there's another one on the opposite side. And the one on the opposite side also has two zipped pouches. So you have a zip pouch, then you have the open pocket, and then you have another zip pouch right there. And these both have little moon, come on, Nance. These both have little moon on it right here. See? It's gorgeous. So it's a very nice sized purse. On the inside, opens all the way, so it's easy for you to get your stuff. Also included is a thing where you can attach your keys, so you can always find your keys. Very important. And speaking of convenience, also on the other side of the purse, there's a little pocket here that is lined with the same purple velvet. You can see. Kind of hard to see. But you can slip your phone in there, so that it's really easy to get, and you don't have to struggle through the contents of the inner purse to find your phone. It's always handy. I can see myself using this a lot at events because usually I don't have pockets, and it's just a pain in the butt, you know, trying to dig around in your purse through all your other many accoutrements you like to put in your purse. So yes, it's a gorgeous handbag, and I just love how there's all the different colors of black because of all the different versions of the leather that we have here. Oh, and sorry, what did we miss here? The lovely Avelina De Moray, little logo there, chrome. And notice too that on this side it's also velvet with those same studs. But let's look at that spider again, shall we? It is so gorgeous. Such a gorgeous piece. And that python leather is just so lovely. So very, very pleased. Couldn't be more pleased with this lovely Dani Divine purse. Sorry, handbag. Because there is a coffin purse that has the handle at the top here. It's a little bit smaller. And there's a makeup bag that looks very similar to this, but just smaller. So they're just, all pieces in this line are just stunning. Now, to go along with this, I did pick up this lovely item. The little compact mirror. Isn't that adorable? So it has the velvet on the edges here, along with little studs. And we have the spider again. Against, I don't know if this is what texture, it almost looks alligator to me. It's not the python. Whatever it is, it's just gorgeous. Vegan leather again. And when you open it up, it's a real mirror. Along with Dani Divine and Avelina De Moray. So it's a perfect size mirror to check your makeup. And it looks gorgeous and goes so well with the handbag. Then I was looking at, she has another, at least 2 mirrors on her side. So I got this one right here to go with my Black Friday purse that's red on the inside. And it's just stunning. This says, inspired by Christiana, one and only, beauty is often hidden in the darkness. No truer words can be said. Love the dark. And again, we have the mirror and Avelina De Moray on the inside. Here's what I was reading before. So once again, vegan leather. This is embroidered, not printed. And it's just gorgeous. Love it. Gosh, could we be finished already? So yeah, please stop by Avelina De Moray's website. Follow her on social media. Follow Dani Divine on social media. Dani is just so gorgeous. Her pictures and videos are amazing and very entertaining. And so you will not be bored for sure. So until next time, do things that make your heart happy. Look out for all your fellow goths and other alternatives, both online and in real life. Get out of the house a little bit. You know, you can put some sunglasses on, let the sun hit your skin just for a moment. Stay cool, as so many of us right now are going through heat waves. I think where Avelina is, it's Christmas kind of weather, so she must be enjoying that, being able to wear all kinds of things. I don't know what the temps are out there, but as I understand, it's more winter weather than summer weather, like many of the rest of us. Anyway, stay cool, stay hydrated, take care. I love you all. Until next time, bye. Oh, I hope that was good. We'll see. Stop.